How to approve posts on Facebook group. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Groups as shown. You can view all your groups on Facebook from here. Open any of your groups from here. Once you're here, tap on Manage. Scroll down to the Settings section and tap on Group Settings. Now, scroll down and go over to the Manage Discussion section. Here, go to Post Approval. Select all posts from the options. This also includes anonymous posts. Then, tap on Save below. Following these steps, you can easily approve posts on Facebook group. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.